Hello guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now we're going to talk about what can we expect to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum within the next couple of hours and days. So first of all, congrats if you took the trade that I called out in the previous videos when we bounced off of this red support line, or if you took the trade that I mentioned also, if we have at least a 4-hourly close out of, or let's say above the $28,800 level. This means, let me show you guys my trades over here on Phemex. As you can see here, just those two trades are in a profit of about $5,000. If you also want to trade, you can always use the links in the description to get the highest available bonuses. So let me show you guys what can we expect here. On the 4-hourly time frame, as you can see here, the stochastic RSI is actually in the oversold area. What does this mean? This could mean that we will soon see a pump to the upside, because actually every time when we're in the oversold area, the RSI goes up. So let's go to the hourly time frame. If you see the hourly time frame, the RSI is already a little bit in the overbought area. So we could see a small cool down. If you're in a trade right now, basically it's never wrong to take some profits, but let me show you here. The next resistance level would be up here at about $31,800. So we could see maybe a little cool down, retouching this line here at $29,500, and then see a next move to the upside up here. And then the next big resistance level that we would have, let me show you guys, would be up here, the purple line here at $33,000. This is a big daily resistance, and this could lead to some, let's say, usually Bitcoin will not break through it on the first attempt. Usually this never happens. As you might know, we already had a couple of attempts here to go over the $28,800 level, and then finally it happened after like about 3 weeks or so. So that's what's going on with Bitcoin. If we break above this level, then you can, or if we touch the line and we get some resistance, you can take some profits. Or if we break above it, then you can also scale up your trades, for example. Okay, let me show you what's going on with Ethereum. With Ethereum, we have a similar situation, because let's see the 4-hourly time frame first. As you can see here, also congrats if you took the trade. I called it out in one of my last videos. We were forming this descending triangle, as you can see here, marked in red, and a descending triangle, I said, is more likely to break out to the upside. So, and the price target was perfectly reached here, as you can see here, and then we went down a little bit, and then we bounced off this support line, and now, as you can see here, we are in this range, and the next resistance would be up here at about $2,000. At about $2,000. And as you can see on the 4-hourly time frame, the RSI has some potential to go even higher until we reach the overbought area. Let's change the time frame. Let's go to the hourly, and as you can see here, similar situation. We are already here in the overbought area, not very high, but still we are here. So we could see another, let's say, a little bit cool down. Maybe we go down here, or even retouch this line at about $1,915 until we see the next pump to the upside. What can we expect today? We have the PPI data will be released, which could lead to some fluctuations. Never ever, guys, I mean, don't be in over leveraged positions so that you don't get liquidated. And then tomorrow we will have the retail sales data, which could also lead to some fluctuations, or let's say to some price pumps. Let's see what's going to happen. So then basically the trading week is over. I mean, of course, crypto markets work 7 days per week, but usually the big players don't trade on the weekends, and the volatility is usually lower on the weekends, as you might know. So that's what's going on here, guys. If we break this $2,000 level, I mean, I don't expect it to happen on the first attempt. Usually it takes a couple of attempts, and then we break it. Then you can also, for example, if you reach this level, you could take some profits. Never wrong to take profits. Whatever you have in your pocket, nobody can take. And if we break above this level with let's say at least a 4-hourly close, you could potentially also scale up your trades, because then the next resistance level is at about $2,111. So this would be another nice move. We can measure let's say from the current price level to go up here would be, let's say, about 6.6%. So another nice move which could lead to some nice profits. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.